We got a ream gas furnace today, and it seems to be that the inducer motor is bad. We're going to swap it out. First things first, power off. Oh. Take these off. This is your ground. I'll be removing this. Your pressure switch. We'll be removing that. Okay. First things first. Screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a 205 unit. Hard to reach spots. Well, welcome. Screw it in. Okay. So let's take these out. Ground wire going to gas valve. Done. Wire it back up. So we have this. It has to go here. So what we're gonna do is cut it and put a female disconnect. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.